1. Starlings can mimic human speech. 2. They often travel in large flocks called murmurations. 3. Starlings have iridescent feathers that shine in the sunlight. 4. They are excellent mimics of other bird species. 5. Starlings were introduced to North America in the 1890s. 6. A group of starlings can number in the thousands. 7. Starlings are cavity nesters. 8. They eat both insects and fruits. 9. Their scientific name is Sturnus vulgaris. 10. Starlings can recognize individual faces. 11. They are native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa. 12. Starlings can fly up to 48 miles per hour. 13. They have short tails and pointed wings. 14. Starlings have strong social bonds. 15. They can imitate car alarms and ringtones. 16. Their beaks change color with the seasons. 17. Starlings play an important role in seed dispersal. 18. They are highly adaptable to urban environments. 19. They roost together in large numbers at night. 20. Their murmurations are a defense mechanism against predators. 21. Juvenile starlings look duller than adults. 22. They use complex vocalizations for communication. 23. Starlings molt once a year. 24. They can be aggressive toward other birds. 25. Starlings are considered invasive in some regions. 26. They are featured in many cultural references. 27. Shakespeare fans introduced them to America. 28. They often forage in open fields. 29. Starlings can be trained to perform tricks. 30. They have excellent memory. 31. Their nests are made of grass and twigs. 32. They are known for synchronized flight patterns. 33. Starlings sometimes nest in vents or eaves. 34. They live in both cities and countryside. 35. Their eggs are light blue. 36. Both parents feed the chicks. 37. Chicks leave the nest around 3 weeks old. 38. Starlings can live over 10 years in the wild. 39. They are noisy and social birds. 40. Starlings can imitate other animals like goats and frogs. 41. Their flocks can blacken the sky. 42. Starlings are very competitive for nesting spots. 43. They have a musky smell. 44. Their feathers shimmer with purple and green hues. 45. They can consume large numbers of crop pests. 46. Farmers both love and hate them. 47. Starlings can spread diseases to other birds. 48. They are protected in some countries. 49. They are noisy in the early morning and at dusk. 50. Their song includes whistles, clicks, and warbles. 51. Male starlings sing to attract mates. 52. Starlings can mimic chainsaws and doorbells. 53. Their flocks can damage crops. 54. Starlings can use tools in captivity. 55. They are part of the Sternidae family. 56. They've adapted to survive in harsh climates. 57. Starlings are bold and curious. 58. Some migrate long distances seasonally. 59. Starlings communicate visually and vocally. 60. They often bathe in puddles. 61. They may peck car mirrors thinking it's a rival. 62. Starlings can influence ecosystems. 63. They use mimicry to confuse predators. 64. Some starlings perform sky dances to impress females. 65. Their droppings can damage buildings. 66. They help control insect populations. 67. Starlings are very intelligent. 68. They sometimes follow farm equipment for food. 69. They're featured in Van Gogh's paintings. 70. Starlings can eat up to 20 grams of food per day. 71. Their vocal range is among the widest in birds. 72. Starlings can recognize patterns in sounds. 73. Their brain is adapted for learning sounds. 74. Some starlings stay with their mate for life. 75. They sometimes steal nesting material. 76. They often gather on power lines. 77. Some murmurations can be seen on radar. 78. Starlings preen often to keep feathers clean. 79. They may eat berries that ferment and get tipsy. 80. Starlings can be kept as pets in some countries. 81. They are illegal to release in some regions. 82. Starlings have inspired scientific studies. 83. They react quickly to changes in their flock. 84. Their murmurations follow fluid dynamics rules. 85. They often feed on the ground. 86. Starlings take sand baths. 87. They sometimes imitate sirens. 88. They breed in the spring and early summer. 89. They lay 4 to 6 eggs per clutch. 90. Some starlings are albino. 91. They perch to survey their surroundings. 92. Starlings use a zigzag flight pattern to evade hawks. 93. They sometimes reuse old nests. 94. They use body language in social interactions. 95. Starlings can survive short-term food shortages. 96. They can be seen in urban parks. 97. They forage in mixed flocks in winter. 98. They gather in massive numbers before sunset. 99. Starlings play and chase each other mid-air. 100. Their synchronized flying is a natural wonder.